All right. Is anyone in here yet? Let's let's start this stream. All right. I'll just get rid of all these notifications and make this work nicely for me. All right. We're here. We're in the live stream again. I've just gotten up, so I'm still drinking my coffee and eating my Vegemite on toast because I've literally just woken up. So good morning to everyone who is watching. Good evening to anyone else who's on the other side of the world, basically. Welcome to this weekend live stream. I haven't done one at this time slot ever, so I thought this would be kind of fun to roll it like this. But yeah, we got IR No Mercy in here. Hey DC, hey man, how's it going? Welcome to the live stream. Yeah, again, we're streaming on YouTube and Twitch today. There's a link in the description for Twitch and everything else. So yeah, I'm not actually going to be answering any questions today. I'm just going to be pretty much hanging out, doing this, what side is it? This side. Live stream of a new room on Try Hack Me. And yeah, I'm just going to have a bit of fun and mess about with it, really. I'm just keen to give it a go. If anyone's in YouTube, you will be able to see this shirt in the link. It's the Hypersec CTF team shirt. If you want one, go grab yourself one. They're pretty cool. They're super comfy. It's made out of like bamboo or something. I don't know how you make bamboo into a t-shirt, but awesome. It's very comfy. It's very soft. I didn't burn my toast. That's it's Vegemite. So it would be normally like this color, right? Which is not burnt. But then you put Vegemite on it and it tastes delicious if you're Australian. Everyone else thinks it tastes terrible, so. Trap easy. Yes. If you look at the top, there's a massive Discord link. It's huge. All right. Enough of that. Let's take a look at this this CTF on Try Hack Me. It's a web OSINT CTF. Looks kind of interesting to check out. So let's have a look. I'll just change my screen. Boom! Look at that. God, I love that transition. All right. Let's go check this out. So, conducting basic open source intelligence research on a website. Looks fun. It's easy. Has anyone done a write-up of this yet? I wonder. No write-ups yet, so it's pretty new. Scoreboard, a whole bunch of people have done it already, which is great. Sysmex73, man, I miss this dude. Oh look, I'm 10th. Am I the 10th person to do this, or is that? Surely not. Anyway, let's get this off my screen. Dismiss that. All right. Have I already joined this? Oh, okay. Right. What's the first thing you do when you're given the name of a business to check out? Fire up the old web browser. True. What if the website or even the entire business no longer exists? Ooh, tricky. That does not mean it's the end of the road. OSINT researchers may still be able to conduct the dots and find useful information on such organizations. Your job is to find as much information as you can about the website Republic of Coffee with a K.com. So that's what we need. Spoiler alert, the website doesn't exist, and if by the time you read this, the website in its current form is not our target. Right, like I didn't punch it in. One way to collect information about a website without directly visiting it is to simply search for it. Note, sometimes plugging a website into the search bar will send you directly to the site. Avoid this by putting the site in quote marks. Also note that this will only return results where the full domain name is written down on the website. Go ahead and Google this. Okay, I will. Let's do it. Let's have a crack. Oh man, that was quick. There's already a write-up on it. Well, that's not fun. Alright, we got some stuff here. Redirect, yada yada yada. Okay, cool. Yeah, let's have a look. Should I put some music on? Do you guys want some music? Let me know in the chat if you want some music. Oh dear. Yeah, Jolty, I am doing the web OSINT room that literally just came out like a second ago. So, I think it came out like half an hour ago or something. Or maybe an hour ago. I don't know. I can't believe there's a write-up already. That's unbelievable. I don't want to read that. I don't want to give it away. That's no fun. Alright, I'm going to find some music real quick. Actually, no, I can't be bothered. Too much effort. Alright. Let's go back to here. We've completed that, so we're on the right path. We've completed one challenge. Alright. Oh man, there's a lot of text here. I've got to take another bite out of this Vegemite on toast. Alright. Just because nothing shows up when you visit republicacoffee.com doesn't mean that someone doesn't own the domain. In fact, if there's any kind of landing page at all, even a spammy one, then you can be sure that someone does in fact own it. But is it currently owned by the same person that used it for the time period we are interested in? We may or may not be able to figure that out, but it's worth a look, for sure. We can confirm current registration status with a whois lookup. Let's go to this website and do a lookup. There's also like MX Toolbox and stuff that you can use, just side note, but yeah, I mean, that's up to you. All right, let's punch in this, look it up, and see what we can find. Yeah, right. Domain ID. There's the name servers. And yeah, it's going to expire in about a year's time. Just under a year. Which is fantastic. Oh, there's the server URL for the registrar and the registry. Mad. Okay, so what does it want us to do? Looking for any data we might be able to use as pivot points, maybe an email address, or better yet, a physical address or phone number. Technically, these are required in order to register any domain, but most domain registrars offer some kind of privacy protection for a trivial fee. Yeah, it's like $10 a year or something. If not free. Yep. Anyway, let's see what we can find out. What is the company the domain was registered with? All right, jump in the chat, guys. I want to hear what you have to say. I'm keen to hear your points. We can collaboratively do this one together. I think it'll be kind of fun. So, what was the question again? What is the name of the company the domain was registered with? If we go down and have a quick look, we got registrarservers.com. We also have namecheap.inc. Let's try namecheap.inc, or was it I wonder if it's asking for the space. Probably not. Let's have a look. Namecheap.inc. Boom! We got the first answer. What is the phone number listed for the registration company? Do not use your thingy. So, does it show it on here? No, it doesn't. Interesting. Interesting. I wonder if we have to do like a real who is, because this is like a. I'm not a fan of this. Let's go to Google. Who is? Whoa. Oh, mate. Thundering. What? Cushioning. Mate. Disgusts. What? Fine. Don't work for me. It's probably trying to look up Australian ones. Yeah, whatever. Let's go here and here. If they want us to use this website. Is this just the raw data? Is that what we're looking at here? No phone number. Oh. Oh. What's the chat saying? Let's have a look at the chat. Andre Saul says, I love you, DC. I love you too, man. Grant Smith, who is DC equals legend. Thank you. Yeah, the chat log is kind of messed up. I can't make it work better than that for some reason. It will only display 5 messages. I don't know why. It's weird like that. I haven't really figured it out yet. And I actually didn't intend on streaming from this computer at all, but it seemed to work pretty well last night, so I thought I'd give it a go today. All right. Let's have a look. Here's a phone number. Let's chuck that in, see if it works. No. That's a fax. Telephone, that's another fax. That's another telephone. Is it, so what phone number is listed for the, do not include the, well, that should be right. Oh, for the registration company. Dirt. I'm looking at the wrong thing. For the registration company, PO box, phone. Nope. Another phone. Let's do this. Make it a bit easier to find out. All right, could be that one. Oh, bingo. Okay, what is the first name server listed for the site? The first name server is this. What is listed for the name of the registrant? The name is that. No? Registrant, something through something. Name of registrant. Sorry, I was just reading the chat for a second. I was getting distracted. Registra. How's it asking for it? I wonder. Okay. Registrant. There's only that one. Wonder if it has like name, entity name, Unicode. No, 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 no. Just looking through all this stuff. So this is the name of the registrant. Could be. Could very well be, but I don't think so. No. What's the country? Let's skip that one, go to country. I think I saw that before. It's like region or... Let's go to this bad boy. Oh. Country. DNS minor register. Oh, excuse me. That's what I put in before, I think, yeah. If anyone sees the country there, let me know. I'm going to put some music on. Because the silence is slowly killing me. And I don't deal with silence too much. It's like radio silence, but more annoying. Oh, there we go. Some little bit of background vibe. My standard no copyright. All right. Text abuse, yada yada yada. Nope. Last update of database. No. Phoenix, Arizona. I wonder how it looks. What country? That's name cheap. Is it looking for of the registrant? No. Okay, so I need to go protected, Panama. What's the chat saying? No response for chat. There is response for chat, but I'm not answering that. Okay, I'll answer. I'll give you a trade. You look at the code, and you tell me what. Yeah, it's definitely America because of the time thing, because of the area code. But I wonder if it, like, I would have thought it would say United States, not America, but. Who knows? Let's answer some of these questions. Lawrence Hawkins, it seems like there are two kinds of people in cybersecurity, the actual tech and management. What do the two groups think of each other? They kind of work like hand in hand with each other. So it's kind of like, I don't know. I've worked both tech and as like a team lead. So not quite management, but almost there. And I'm so easily distracted. And yeah, I mean, I got on when I was working as a tech with management. Not everyone does, which is fine. It depends on the team you're working in, man. It's kind of up to you, I guess. on how you deal with different people. For the country, let's type in America. See if that goes. No. Whoops. Canada. No. So there you go, Mr. What's his name? Trapezy. The screen's too small. That's a shame. I could probably expand it over the entire screen, but that's alright. I could also chuck it on the other screen, I guess. I mean, I've got this other screen if you want it to be really small, but that's entirely up for you. Alright, I'll see if I'll make this one a bit bigger so you can see it. Thank you for the feedback, by the way. I do enjoy the feedback. I like to know exactly what I can do better. So let's drag this bad boy and make it huge. Let's just do it like that, yeah? Alright. I can't be bothered with how ugly that looks. So, yeah, just deal with it, I guess. Here we go. I'll put it like this. I'll put it like this. That way it doesn't get blown away by the thing. And where is the other alert box? Bear with me a sec. I gotta make this work. Nope, wrong one. I'll delete that anyway. And this is the one I want to get rid of. All right, there you go. Now you can see everything as I can see it, plus the chat with all the other stuff down the bottom. Okay. Yeah, I've got so many overlays running on here, it's out of control. Alright. What's the country? Someone tell me the country here. Panama, that's the registrar. So I wonder if it's asking for the wrong country there. Who knows? What other information can we find on here? Name dog. Let's Google this one up and see what comes up. I'm gonna take some more of this Vegemite. That's just a massive dump, man. Oh dear. This is pretty cool. It says SEO VIP.biz. Cool. English US. More rubbish. It's WordPress. Or was WordPress. Korea coffee map. I don't know if I'm getting the wrong thing here, but no, worth a crack. Yeah, not much useful stuff on there. It's going to be on here somewhere because that's where it tells you to look for it. So where are we at in the chat? Trapezy, do you plan to contribute to the TraceLab CTF? It starts tomorrow. Probably not. I mean, yeah, I kind of like that just chatting thing, so I'm gonna leave that there. Yeah, probably not. I got some stuff on tomorrow, unfortunately, so let's get rid of that. Let's just look at it like that. That's kind of better. Even though my chat's all weird and out of place, but whatever. Doesn't matter. Yeah. Lawrence Hawkins, I already answered your question. So you can stop asking the same thing. Email. All right, let's just find the country here, guys. Come on, it's gonna be here somewhere. Let's search for America. No. 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 Nope. Nope. Anyone see the country here? I mean, you could just look up where the registrar is, but kind of defeats the purpose. It wants us to use this website, I think, so. I'm going to change back to this other screen because this looks ugly as hell, and I think I can do this better. So let's turn all these back on, and then let's lock that guy. This one, I'll put this back into the box so it's not all messed up for next time. All right. And we'll go back to here and I'll swap the webcam for this. So bear with me one sec while I resize all my stuff. And then you'll be able to see everything I can see. Yep, that'll do. And then webcam, chuck this into here. Lock it. Lock it. Boom. There you go. We swapped it around. I think that's a bit better. Cool. Maybe an email address, a physical address, or a phone number. Yeah, I mean, I got the phone number already. So, Namecheap, this phone number. Let's just Google this phone number. Hey, let's I should put in that phone number with the +1. Whoops. That's not true. That's only searching Australia. The United States. So that's what I would have put in, is the United States. But if you look at this, there's no like, it doesn't look at it like that, so. Interesting. So maybe I'm typing it wrong. Maybe it's like, surely it's not case sensitive. No. Yeah, repping Hypersec merch today. I think that in YouTube there's like a link where you can click on it and buy it if you want. I think it's like 30 Australian dollars or something. Yeah. Come on, someone help me out with this. I'm too tired to figure out the country. Unless it's considering this as the country. Panama. That's not the country. All right, someone needs to fix that up because the country should be America. But anyway, what is listed for the name of the registrant? All right. What is the registrant name, guys? Registrant name. Entity. What does it want? The name of the... So that'll be something... dot something something something. So let's go back here. Leo Smith, how long have you been awake for? I've been awake for about just over half an hour. I literally like woke up and started this live stream just for fun, really. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, Panama is like the city, right? And then Arizona is the state, and then the country would be America, but Panama country in... Oh, okay, Panama country. Okay, well, there you go. We're learning about how different places in the world named it. Because I mean, like, if it was like Queensland, for example, in Australia, then it would be Australia is the country, but whatever. All right. We're looking for the registrar name. Registrant name, sorry. Raw registrar. My dog really wants to eat some of this Vegemite. Worth a try, huh? It's a county. Yeah, that's what I thought. Whatever. Slight typo on that one, I guess. So we're looking for what is listed for the name of the registrant. Who's got the name of the registrant? Well, there's nothing on there. Name of the registrant. Did it say anything on here? I didn't even look. What's under here? Oh, no. How's it output? Something 3 something. What do we got, guys? Does it say county on the thing though? On here it says what country is listed. Country, C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. It should say county, but that's okay. We'll let that one pass. What is listed for the name of the registrant? Yeah, no shit. I don't want to read that. No. Is that what I looked up before? Man, my dog's like knocking my leg around. Whoa. Lagging out. I really need 2 screens here so I can save myself some messing about. So if it's name cheap, let's go to here, name cheap ink registrar. What the fuck? Some random plumbing. Yeah, right. Very interesting, but completely useless. What's the chat saying? William Tarrant, I'm doing this room at the same time. Awesome. You found a potential address? Oh, nice. I'm just looking for the registrant name. So if anyone wants to drop that, that'd be cool. What question are we doing? We are doing the question, what is listed for the name of the registrant? Yeah, I looked up the domain name and the first one on there is a freaking write-up on Medium. People are quick, I have to say. Super fast on that, but yeah. If anyone wants to join a voice chat with me, jump in the Discord and jump in the waiting room, and yeah, jump in there and have a chat. Either, yeah, Trapezy, William Tarrant, anyone, jump on in. Keen to have a chat. Jump in. Alright, let's have a look. Where was I? Oh, I'm on the wrong thing. Alright. Here we go, Trapsy. What's up, man? Welcome to the voice chat. Oh, I can't hear you. One sec. All right, say something again. Or just turned your volume up.
Can you hear it? Can you hear me?
Yep, it's super soft, but yep.
All right.
All right, so we're doing this. What is listed for the name of the registrant? Have you found it?
Yeah.
And where did you find
No,
it?
I haven't found it yet. I'm on the same page as you. I'm on task 2, and I just have to find the registrant name so I can continue.
Task 2? Where's task Yeah, Task
Asking
2.
at your stream.
What is the name of the company? What is so the name of the first question, or
What is the listed name for the registrant? The
oh right, yeah, same question as what I'm
yeah.
looking at. Cool. Do you see anything on the Do you see anything in there, or I can't see the name
No,
of the
I
registrant.
don't know. It's like so jumbled together.
Let's have a look. From how it's displayed on Try Hack Me, it's like 7 characters, 3 characters, and 6 characters. So I assume there's like a space in there somewhere, but I don't see anything that looks like that.
I'm going to the who is on Namecheap.
Alright, I'm gonna go back to the questions, see if anyone's
There's someone
talking.
waiting in the waiting room.
Is there? Let's
Yeah.
have a look. Enjoy. Alright, enjoy. Welcome to the voice chat as well.
What's going on?
Not much, man.
Good.
Trying to figure out what the name of the registrant is.
Yeah, so I wrote this one in the YouTube chat. If you go on the ICANN, look up and go under the raw registrar RDAP response, and then
Yep.
just search for registrar. It'll come up with redacted for privacy, and that's the actual answer.
That's it?
Yeah, it'll come up under handle and then say redacted for privacy, and that's actually the answer for the room.
Yeah, it is.
Redacted for privacy.
Yeah.
That was
Oh,
I
you
think,
gotta be
like-
kidding me. I was so like looked in. I was locked in looking for an actual name. I'm like, come on.
I was doing the same thing. I saw your stream and I'm like, wow, he's getting like real deep into this.
Yeah, I was about to jump down the rabbit hole. I would have been there for a while. Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, next one up. Let me make sure I'm streaming the right page here. Alright. Ghosts of websites past. Don't be discouraged when your initial searches on a website turn up empty. That's where archive.org and the Internet Wayback Machine come into play. Do yourself a favor and install the archive.org browser extension. Oh, I don't want to do that. Alright. Archive.org Chrome extension.
It's pretty handy, but you don't need to. You can just go to the Wayback Machine website.
Yeah,
Yeah,
if
I'm
you
on
want.
it.
that's what I'm thinking.
2016.
Alright, so something in 2016. Let's have a look at the more recent one in October. October
It's asking
8th.
for the first name of the unknown.
I think it's loading. Oh, here we go. Gotta love that Aussie internet, right? Alright, what was the question? What is the name of the blog's author?
Contact.
Let's just go to any old one of these blog entries. His name is Steve. Submit. Bingo. What city and country was the author writing from? Does it even... I probably have to read it. Texas.
Korea, coffee map.
So wait, what are
He
we
says
looking?
it in a few of his blogs.
That means I gotta read it. Oh, man.
Yeah.
I've lived in Texas, US.
If you really just want the answer, I already have the answer for that one. If you can't be bothered.
No, hold on. Hold on. I'll read a little bit. All right. So, but going by this last guy's thing, so, okay. Texas. Wait, is there spaces in between? Yeah, there is. So, city. What city in Texas? And county, or country should actually be county, but this guy obviously wrote it wrong in his CTF. Alright, let's go back to... Let's go to this one, the Cafe Benito something. He's done a lot of stuff in Korea by the looks of it. South Korea. Might be useful later. Nothing about Texas in there. Let's go to this one. Unless it's under his contact page, which it could be. Let's go to his contact page, see what's up. Oh, I got a fail. That's a shame. Let's go to the most recent post. Loading, loading, loading. Come on, Wayback Machine, you can do it. Nothing about Texas. Unless
Yeah,
it's
I got it.
unless it's not Texas.
It's not Texas.
It's not. It's gonna be South Korea. Where's the one he wrote about? Had a genuine fact. So I'll definitely go back. Can't miss it. Jeju Island. Jeju Island's awesome.
I'll be right back, hold up.
Yeah, you're right. I'll see if anyone else is in the waiting room. Let's have a look. Alright, we got Jolt and Neo. Welcome to both of you. Yeah, we're doing this CTF at the moment. If you're watching live, we're doing the Try Hack Me Web OSINT challenge. I'm currently looking for what city and country was the author writing from. Yeah, it's something South Korea. Definitely. Because S-O-U-T-H, yep. Korea, yep. So what's the city in South Korea that he was writing these from? Let's have a look at the website. It's probably like written in plain sight, probably not on...
It is.
Yeah. Typical. I'll click around this website a bit, have a quick look.
A lot of them are like very obvious, but you think like you go so far deep into it that you just go straight past it.
Yeah, story of my fucking life. To be honest.
Jason's in the stream.
Okay. Let's have a look. This time of year, particularly. I feel like I'm reading way too far into this. I just need to find like a basic page that says exactly where he was writing. It'll probably say like I'm writing this from something. I think I've already clicked on the contact page and it didn't work. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not stored by way back. The contact page.
Lame. Alright, is it in one of the blogs? Give us a hint.
You can literally just go to like the homepage and it'll be written in like how it has the templates of the 5 blogs that he's done. It's written on one of those as a sample.
It's written on the sample. What? This Madungshan? Or
Yeah, so where he has like Cafe Zorba, Chosen University, Cafe Benito, just in the sample before you click continue reading, it'll be located in one of those.
Alright, let's have a look. So that's probably that Guang. Where is that thing? Guangzhou? Maybe. Let's give that a crack. Bingo! Guangzhou. Research. What's the name in English of the template inside the national park the author visits frequently? That's the second one. What's the what? What's the name in English of the temple inside? Okay. It's probably Madungshan Temple or something like that. Let's have a look at the article. National Park, Guangzhou, Starbucks, any other small. Oh dear. Let's just search for temple. Nothing about temples in there. Yeah, Monster John, is this the web OSINT room? Yes, yes it is. I'm looking for a temple somewhere. It's gonna be here somewhere. Nope, not in this one. Is it on the one in Jeju Island? That doesn't make sense because he said it's in that national park. Does that mean I have to like search for that national park? Oh. Alright, I'll do it properly. Let's take this national park and let's go to here. It's called let's try and do this without clicking the link. Jungimsa Temple. Bingo, got the correct answer. All right, digging into DNS.
This is where I'm stuck on. I think I'm stuck on like the second one.
Right. Okay, let's read through this. So far, we've gathered some good info about the content that was on the Target website, even though it hasn't been live for several years. What about the technical details? This is where View DNS Info comes in. So let's go there. Let's get rid of some of these tabs so my computer doesn't die. Alright. ViewDNet provides a convenient UI for looking up registration information on a Target website. Using this information may be possible to draw certain conclusions that are not clearly spelled out, such as whether the website is hosted on a shared or dedicated IP address. The answer to this question can imply about the website's budget as well as traffic. Let's take a look at the search options. So, what is republicofcoffee.com's IP address for October 2016? Let's type that into the reverse IP lookup. And 2016, 192. Submit. No, wrong. 2016. Oh, okay, I'm looking at it wrong. What the flip? Oh, let's go to the IP history. One 173. Bingo. Based on the other domains hosted on the same IP address, what kind of hosting can we safely assume our targets use?
Shared.
What's that?
Shared hosting.
Shared hosting. Oh, you mean like the answer is hosting, or what kind of?
No, it's just shared. That's not.
Oh, shared host. Oh, fuck. I was stuck on that for so long. Fuck.
Shared. What's a hint? I'm curious. What kind of hosting plan is usually used by websites on a tight budget? Ah, okay. Shared. Okay. How many times has the IP address been changed? The history of the domain. 4. Correct. All right. Taking off the training wheels. I'll have a quick look at the chat. See if there's not too many people in here today, which is interesting. Jason Sec, what's up, man? What tool is this? What website are you currently? I'm just going through the motions of this CTF. So I'm just following exactly what pages they're telling me to look at. Okay, so congratulations on making it this far. You'll need all of the skills you've learned so far for this task. All I have for you is a domain. Good luck. So heat.net. .net. Nothing. Cool. Let's take that. Copy it, because I'll probably need it. What is a second name server? Okay, let's go back to ICANN. Type in heat.net. I need to get rid of all this rubbish. Alright, so what is a second name server? Second name server is ns2.heat.net. What is the IP address for this? I really want that there, so IP address So what was it? What IP address was listed in 2011? 2011 IP address was 72. Submit. Based on domains that share the same IP, what kind of hosting service is the domain user owning? User. What service? Oh man. What kind of hosting service? Where was that? Probably shared. Yeah. It's either shared or private. So. On what date did was the site first captured by the Internet Archive? Okay, Wayback Machine.
Holy.
What was that? All right. God damn it. Where is Wayback? All right. Okay, it goes back pretty far.
Yeah.
1997. I wonder how it wants this displayed.
It's month, day, year.
Month, date, year. Okay.
Yeah. It's saying incorrect
6.
for me.
Yeah, me too.
198.
Am I missing something here? I don't see it on any other date. It should be 6th of the 1st, 1997, right? Is that what is it? On what date did the site first capture by the Internet Archive? Oh, it's not 1997, you just type in 97. Yeah, 06/01/97. I didn't read the format properly. I typed in 1997. Fuck. What is the first sentence of the body paragraph of the final capture in 2001? Alright, let's go to 2001. The final capture was on the 6th of July. So let's check that out. And what is the first sentence on the body paragraph? Do I need to put in the full stop? I wonder. Yes. Using your search engine skills, what was the name of the company that was responsible for the original version of the site? So let's go back to this. I reckon I can go all the way back to 97 and go to the first version and then see probably down the bottom. I want to play for free. What the hell? What a weird website. Man, 97 was a different age for websites. Heat.net doesn't exist anymore though, so. Using your search engine skills, what was the name of the company that was responsible for... Alright. Let's go to Google. Heat.net. Sega Retro Heat. Sega Soft.
Yeah, that's what
Let's
I
try
found.
that. Yep, that's correct. What does the first header on the site on the last capture of 2010 say? The header on the site on the last capture of 2010. Alright, let's go 2010. The last one was on December 30th. 2010. It says heat.net. I don't know if it wants that pipe in there, but and cooling. Oh my god, so much HVAC.
It does.
Residential and commercial. Is it written like that, or is it? No, it's not. It's a ampersand.
Got it.
Commercial heat. I really hope that's it, because I don't. Oh, it's not it. Let's do the. Do I even have a pipe thing on this keyboard? Oh my god. What's the shortcut for?
I could send it to you if you want.
Do I need that pipe in there, or?
It's the dash.
Yeah, can you message that one?
Ah.
too?
Yeah.
Got it.
Oh, it's this header. I thought it meant like the title header.
I was doing the same thing.
Yeah, god damn it. Oh well. You live and you learn. Alright, taking a peek under the hood of a website. Isn't it kind of interesting how the website disappeared for a period of time and came back? Clearly the purpose of the site is different now. Let's roll up our sleeves and figure out what's going on. First, do you have any gut feelings about the site? What is your overall impression? Does it feel like a legitimate source of information, and why? You might consider some of the following points. Language. What grade level is the writing? Does it seem to be written by a native English speaker? UX. Is it user-friendly? Is the design modern? What pages does the site have? I can tell you this website conforms well to antiquated search engine optimization best practices. You can read more about SEO here if you like before you continue. So I'm going to guess there's going to be some stuff about the SEO that you can inspect as soon as I give you a link to it. Technical research often due clues about a website and its creator/owner may be unintentionally left behind in the source code of a website. Pretty much every web browser will have a method of doing this. It's well worth taking time to become acquainted with how this works in your browser of choice. For Chrome on Mac OS, you'll go to the top bar menu, choose View Developers, View Source Code. Yada yada yada. There's a lot of text in here. Let's have a look. Okay, so heat.net. Let's go to this link. Refer to this. How many internal links are there in the text of the article? Oh man. I actually can't be bothered. It's a big one. Yeah, let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of that. That can stay there. So it's one of the original versions because it's was link. Hire a commercial heating contractor. So to be one of the newer ones, it's about probably around 2011. Let's go to this one. Failed to fetch. That's unfortunate. Okay. How many internal links? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try 5 in the text of the article. Correct. How many external links?
Hold up.
I mean, do I include the ads, or is it just in the body of the text? 0. Wrong. Hover over links with your mouse cursor to inspect where each... What? To another site on the heat.net site or an external site. Yeah, I just didn't see any. So... Nope. 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 Is it on... How many external links are in the text of the article? There's... Okay, there must be one, and I don't want to just type in one, I want to find it. Oh, there is one. Okay. Websites in the article's only external link that isn't an ad. WordPress.org. No? Okay, I was looking at the wrong thing then. Did you guys find the answer to this one already, or?
Yeah, it's the same one, the external link. So whatever that points to that you found.
Good morning, DCP.
Sup? How's it going? We're doing a CTF at the moment.
Oh shit! I want...
Yeah, jump on YouTube or Twitch and you can watch it. So the external link I found was powered by WordPress.
Nah, where it points to. So if you just hover over it, it'll give you the address. For mine, I use Firefox, so it's in the bottom left. It just comes up with the domain name.
Yeah, it does that here as well. I'm just looking like WordPress.org, but is it not WordPress?
Nah, it's not WordPress. Oh, nah, not that one. So in the body of the page.
Yep.
It'll have that you just need to hover over. That link. If that makes sense.
Yeah, I'm just trying to find which link it is. All I can see is heat.net, unless I'm looking at the wrong book.
No, it's there. I can see it. I'm just watching your stream now. You scroll past it. I can see it.
Alright, I'm back. Hello?
So
What is going on?
you just went over it before.
Yeah. What?
I don't know.
I must have gone over it like 50 times already. Heat.net entry. I'm like hovering over every single link on this page. Heat.net. Heat.net. In the body of the text. Am I missing a link here? That's heat.net. Heat.net.
The stream's a bit delayed, so I can't see exactly where you're at, but
Okay, I'll start at the very top. Need to hire a commercial heating contractor. Posted on December, so that goes to heat by admin. That goes to heat. Commercial heating link goes to heat.
oh,
Heating contractor goes to heat. Heating system
Yeah.
goes to heat. Heating and
I
cooling.
don't think. Sorry, man. I don't think it actually pops up for you.
Oh,
I don't
okay.
think it's actually linked on your thing.
Right.
So it should be under number 4 there. And it's not coming up as a hyperlink.
Cost saving. Okay, so there's a link here somewhere.
There should be another one. But
Weird.
I see it on my screen.
yeah, it works for me.
Weird. Oh, maybe I'll refresh the page.
Yeah, it doesn't come up as a hyperlink in your browser. Oh, it might.
It
Is
might
it
be
because you're
the.
on Wayback? Because you can just punch the domain name straight into the URL without the Wayback machine.
I was using Wayback. I'm probably on like a older version. Is it this 36 one? Just gonna keep scrolling through the various versions. I went to the link and it doesn't do anything, so I don't know if I'm doing that wrong or. Here we go. Check around for the latest deal. So purchase.org. So I was on an older
Yeah.
before that even existed. I can't believe I got the other ones right. That's try to find the Google Analytics code to the site. There it is. UA something something. I don't think that's right. Oh, it is right. Okay. Takes a hyphen as a character. Is a Google code used in another website? What is the Google Analytics code?
Try to Google twerk it.
Probably. No? Nay? It's one or the other, so it's kind of brute force answer. Does the link to this website have any obvious affiliate codes embedded with it? Does the link to this website have any other... I don't know, maybe. Let's have a look. Final exam. Connect the dots. Succubus, welcome to the Twitch thing. Is this on Try Hack Me? Yes. Why would I punch my dog? What the hell? My dog's under the desk here somewhere, chilling. Let's go back to here. All right. Experienced OSINT researchers will tell you that chasing rabbit holes all day and night without being able to make some solid connections is not OSINT. OSINT refers to the patterns that start to emerge as we connect the dots in an analysis of the data. Congrats, you found that our target heat.net links to an interesting external site. A question remains though, why? There are no affiliate code in the link. There is no obvious financial connection between the two. Maybe there's some other kind of connection. This is your final exam. Get busy. Use the tools in task 4 to confirm between the link between the two sites. Try hard to figure it out without the hint. So I can't even remember what the link was. Purchase.org. All right, let's go to purchase.org. Yeah, right. So it's like a drop shipping. Alright. Purchase.org. So use the tools in task 4 to confirm the link between the two sites. Try hard to figure it out without the hint. I don't know, let's just search this website for heat.
Oh, wait.
No.
Task 4.
Boom. So the link is, when I looked up the IP history before, in 2011, the IP address owner was Liquid Web LLC. I just remembered that. So when I looked up the DNS history for purchase.org, it had the same IP address owner. That is the task
Is it
for.
because shared hosting?
Yeah.
Alright.
So the link is shared hosting, basically.
Nice.
Congratulations on completing the challenge. In fact, it is highly probable that both of these sites are owned and operated by the same entity. Let's unpack this. Massive wall of text. What time is it? 10:30. All right, I'll read through it. Although there are loads of advertisements on our target website, that is probably a tiny percentage of the money this site makes. It would require further investigation to confirm this, but it's a good bet that the creators of these two sites make most of their money by functioning as what's called as a private blog network. PBNs exist for one purpose: to convince the search engine algorithms that another site should rank higher in the search engine results. Yep. Modern search engines work by mapping the internet by its links. This gets extremely complicated very quickly, but as a generalization, they work on a few assumptions. One is how well the site answers users' questions. Next one is how authoritative the websites are that are sending the receiving links. And 3 is relevance of the incoming links to the site. Let's say we're creating a new website in order to yada yada yada. I don't want to read all this stuff. It's good, cool money. Let's see. By setting up a separate website that is completely under your control and exists for the sole purpose of telling search engines that your main site should rank higher in search engines that it rightfully deserves. Cool. Okay. Is all of this ethical? Yeah, sure. Is the site a scam? Not really. I mean, a lot of sites do this, so whatever. Does that make it okay? Who cares? Let's go to the wrap up, see what we got. A little web OSINT knowledge can go a long way in online investigations. A few examples of where it comes into play include any kind of business OSINT, online scams, or even political journalism. If you'd like to see a prime example of this kind of research being put into practice, I highly recommend checking out this yada yada yada, link to Russia. There's no sync course here. Let's complete it. Done. We finished the web OSINT challenge. That was kind of fun. Something a little bit different for a live stream for me. I'm gonna jump out of this voice chat. I'll leave you guys in here if you want to keep talking to each other. And yeah, I'll answer some questions on the live stream. So catch you later, guys.
Catch you, DC.
Catch you later, DC.
All right. Let's get this this Chrome browser out of my way and change my webcam back to the full screen. Beautiful. Done. Done. And put that guy back. All right. We're back. That was good. That was fun. I think that took about almost an hour to get through. I reckon the first couple of tasks were the harder ones because I was looking too far into it. So I was sort of reading into it too much and not really focusing on what I should have been. But that's okay. Yeah, that was good. That was good fun though. So anyone who wants to ask any questions, now's the time. I can drag you into the live voice chat if you want to ask me any questions, or if not, no worries. Jolty says, all in all, you did pretty good. Did it pretty quick. I mean, thank you. Yeah, I'm obviously not that good at this sort of stuff, so yeah. I mean, but I don't know. It was good fun. So yeah. Okay, Slick Wheels says open source developer versus cyber security outlook. I mean, you mean what is the outlook of an open source developer versus cyber security engineer? They're completely different positions. So one is on developing systems and one is on defending systems. They sort of go hand in hand, like a lot of things do with cybersecurity. So with cybersec, a lot of the time you're actually like working side by side with other teams. So like developers of web apps and stuff internally, they all have to go through the cybersecurity risk and compliance to be able to publish those things, those systems, whatever they are. So especially in like government organizations, they have like a whole lengthy process to get those sort of systems approved. So yeah, I mean, there's quite a lot involved there. Reza Jamshidi says, hello. Excuse me. I'm almost done with the CCNA. What should I take next for CyberSec? If you don't already have a CompTIA Security Plus, get one, because it's a great certification to have that will sort of get you into the cybersecurity realm rather than just the network engineering industry. So if you want to sort of jump from being a network engineer with a CCNA to being like a network security engineer, the CompTIA Security Plus is definitely going to help you transition from networking into cybersecurity, or rather networking security cybersec. That's my answer for you. Slickwheel says, I'm cyberfield but more inclined bro cyber. Any tips? I'm cyberfield but more inclined bro cyber. What does that mean? I need a better explanation of that, please. I will jump back in the live voice chat if anyone wants to jump into the waiting room, and I'll drag you across. Let's have a look. If anyone's in there at the moment. Announcements about. Alright. No one there at the moment. That's all good. Yeah, I'll just wait in there for a sec for someone to turn up. Next question. From Praveen Caldera. Hey DC, would you recommend doing the Security Plus 501 or the 601 is going to retire? Yeah, definitely do the newer out of the two. Mainly because the other one is going to retire. I know there is, from what I heard, I haven't done the newer one, so I have no idea what's on it, but from what I've heard, there is a whole bunch of extra stuff in there that includes some privilege escalation knowledge, which is useful for if you want to go from that into the OSCP. So I think they really they've realized that their market is people who want to go for an OSCP but haven't quite got to that point yet. So they've got the CompTIA Security Plus, and then you go into the OSCP. So that's yeah, that's sort of how I would go there. Trapsy is in the waiting room, dragging him up. Trapsy, welcome back.
Hello?
Hello. How's it going?
It's good.
Sweet. Where are you calling from, actually? I'll start with the basics.
I'm from America.
Sweet. Cool. What questions do you have for me today?
Oh, I just wanted to stay in here. I don't have any questions.
Oh, okay. Cool. I'll leave you in here. You can help me answer some of the questions if they come through.
Alright.
Do you currently work in cybersecurity or networking or?
Student,
Nice.
so
All right. Good question here from Beamer. What are your thoughts on getting some risk and compliance experience? Would it be beneficial to getting ahead in cybersec, or would it pigeonhole you into a non-hands-on role? If you don't have experience already and then go into risk and compliance, you're going to be stuck in risk and compliance for a long time. If you have technical experience in cybersecurity or network security, and then want to move across from that into like a SOC team role and gaining some knowledge about risk and compliance before getting into that role, that will definitely help you, because the SOC team lead is someone who's talking with risk and compliance and the techs. So you have to have both ends of that sword, I guess. You have to have, yeah, both blades. So if you get into risk and compliance too early, you're going to be stuck in risk and compliance, which is not that fun, to be honest. Unless you're really into that sort of control or lack of control. But then, yeah, if it was me, I would do something technical first and then learn about risk and compliance, and then try and move into like a middle management type role. Douglas Connell, do you have a Crocodile Dundee day over there? No, we don't. We also don't say shrimp, so yeah. What was it's just a time crunch. Yeah, no super useful questions there, but that's cool. Yeah, so what else is happening today? I'm just sort of chilling now. I've got to head off in about half an hour. So we've got about half an hour left on the live stream until I'm out of here for a little bit. Yeah. Jump on into the voice chat if you want to ask me a question, and I'll drag you in. Yeah, that website was pretty fun. Web OSINT one. It was definitely an easy room, which was good. Something different, I guess, for once. It's not usually that easy. The last couple of ones I've done on TryHackMe were actually much harder than that, and they weren't like the paid for rooms either. They were just like standard rooms, which were pretty good. Yeah, what do you guys reckon about this new stream layout as well, by the way? Do you like this sort of setup? What do you think of the streams? Are they good? Are they bad? Are they average? What can I do better? Let me know. I'm always keen to hear what I could potentially do better. I'm always looking to improve myself in any way I can. What does it mean in Twitch when someone's name is yellow? Does that mean they're like a Twitch Prime person, or I don't know. Interesting. There's actually another CTF that I'm doing a bit later today, this afternoon, called the Aero CTF. It's on CTF time, and apparently it's a binary exploitation CTF, which is why I'm wearing my Hypersec shirt, CTF team. I'm gonna have a crack at that and actually concentrate on that. I need about 3 more coffees before I hit that one up. So, yeah. One night, welcome to the live stream, dude. I'm actually in a time zone that you can finally join for once. I'm normally on it at like nighttime Australian time, but at the moment it's like 10 to 11 in the morning, and yeah, I've been on here since 9:15, so it's yeah, pretty early for me, especially because last time I was up till like 2 talking to you guys. So great setup, make the back less distracting. Which bit? You mean like the couch? Or because I can't put that couch anywhere else. I could move the lights. I mean, I could put the lights in the other side, in the corner, like up into the corner. Let me get this right. Up here. That'd be kind of cool, like pointing into the corner. That could be cool. He says, I normally find your live streams after I roll out of bed. Yeah, because they're normally nighttime my time, which is like early morning US time. So, Douglas Connell, real question this time. Would you recommend learning PowerShell, Linux, or Python first, starting in help desk and then going to networking? If you're starting in help desk, PowerShell, I reckon, is going to be the most useful for you in like that present time. But there's no reason why you can't learn, say, like Python in Bash and PowerShell, because you can do PowerShell in Bash as well. So why not learn all of them? Maybe write like a little automation script between the 3 languages and see how you go with that. That'd be a kind of fun little project to do. I don't know. What do you reckon, Trapsy?
I wasn't paying attention. What was the question?
It says, would you recommend learning PowerShell, Linux, or Python first? This guy's working in help desk. I said learn all 3 of them in Bash, because you can do PowerShell and Python,
I
obviously
haven't learned
Python.
PowerShell, but
Yeah.
I would start off with Linux. That's how I got started into cybersecurity. But like DC said, you could learn all 3.
Yeah. I mean, there's nothing really stopping you from learning all 3. If you want to do anything like Azure privilege escalation stuff, PowerShell's pretty useful for that sort of stuff, because if you can get a privileged shell, then you've pretty much got access to everything via PowerShell. So, yeah, gaining that is obviously the hard part, but yeah, I mean, it's useful to learn. Anyway, I use PowerShell like fairly often, at least 3 or 4 times a week, I reckon. Just little random scripts and stuff. One Night says, not sure if anyone knows this, Cisco has a free training and exam for veterans and spouses for the CCNA. Yeah, I saw you message me the other day on Twitter, man, about this. And to be honest, I haven't looked into it and I hadn't heard of it before, but I wouldn't be surprised, because the thing with veterans is that they previously or currently have some sort of clearance, which is super useful down the line, if you, especially like, well, definitely if you want to work in a government security position. So that's why I think they're sort of leaning to get those people skilled, because it's an easy transition from being a soldier or whatever it is in the defense force to then being a veteran and then not really knowing what to do, which is where cybersecurity can come in and sort of help you out. So yeah, I mean, why not? If it's free, do it. I mean, if there's any free certs out there, I'd jump on them straight away. I love free certs. There used to be a really fun Meraki certification, which it was called like the CMNO or something like that. I think they changed the name and I think you have to pay for it now. But it was awesome. It was super fun. So yeah. Lanty, did you take down your video about sneaking into that cybersecurity event? Yes. Douglas Connell, awesome. Yeah, I like how you can use Linux commands in PowerShell, so it seems well-rounded. Thanks for the answer. On that topic, you can switch things up by, instead of going with Linux, you could go with Windows and then run WSL, which is the Windows subsystem for Linux. So basically, you get a terminal of whatever Linux flavor you want. You can go Kali or Ubuntu or GNOME or any of them. And yeah, just load it up. I have an Ubuntu WSL on my home computer, this computer that I'm on now, as well as my work computer, because they make us use Windows there for some reason. But a lot of the work that I do is in WSL, and it's, I mean, if you can make your way around the terminal, which you will learn how to do anyway, yeah, you'll figure it out. It's not brain surgery, really.
There's someone in the waiting queue again.
Yeah, I just saw him, LB. I'll drag him up in here. LB, how's it going? You're currently muted and deafened at the moment, so you're not going to realize we're talking to you. But that's cool. Maybe if he watches this, I'll keep an eye on it. See if he jumps in.
I just told him to unmute.
Good on him. For anyone who's interested in asking questions like this and getting real-time answers, that's exactly what my Discord server is for. There's currently around 3,000 people in the server, I think. It's fairly quiet during the day, but in the day my time, because most of the people are US based. But there's a fair mix of like Australians and US and UK people. So jump on in the Discord server, ask questions if you have any questions. Everyone's sort of pretty happy to help out wherever they can. So yeah, just ask away, have a good time, chat with everyone in there. There's a lot of shit talking that goes on, as there is with pretty much every online community out there. But there's some quality memes and stuff if that's your thing as well. So jump in. Lanty says, it was a cool vid, glad I got to see it before you took it down. Yeah, no comment on that video. Douglas Connell, awesome. Yeah, I like how you can use Linux command. Oh, I already read that one. I'm going to scroll up a bit and see if there was any questions that I missed. Unknown Monster says, I'm going to do this room. What tool is it? I mean, the tools that I used on that CTF that I just did were all of the ones that it said to use on that CTF. So I didn't do anything extra or special or anything. Each of the CTFs on TryHackMe have like fairly good write-ups on how to do what you need to do. So yeah, I mean, just have a look. LB, you've unmuted and undeafened yourself. Can you hear me?
Yeah, man. Yeah, sorry, I was in the bathroom.
That's alright. Lucky you muted yourself. Welcome to the Discord server and to the chat. Have you got a question for me, or are you just here for the fun of it?
I'm just here for the hell of it, man.
Nice. Where are you calling from?
I'm actually calling from the Cayman Islands.
Wow, that's pretty cool. Good tax write-off system over there.
Yes.
Famously. So, yeah. What's going on? What's the weather like over there? Is it cold? Is it hot?
It's pretty hot.
Yeah. Yeah, I think you guys would have fairly similar weather to where I am at the moment. It's currently 28 degrees Celsius and 80% humidity. So we're getting that beautiful jungle weather as per usual.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's terrible. But what are you doing in the Cayman Islands? Are you were born there, or are you traveling there, or?
I'm just sort of stuck here because I came here before quarantine and then the airport's closed.
Right. Okay. That's all right. Got good internet?
My little outfit tracks. Yeah.
Sweet. Well, that's all you need, really. apart from
as long as I have internet.
yeah, that's. I mean, what would you do? Imagine if COVID had hit in 2000 and just 2000, or like any time before 2000. Imagine that. That would have been terrible. I mean, all we had was Snake on Nokia 3310s, and not much else. International calling, forget about it. There was MSN Messenger, I guess. So that was kind of cool, but yeah, wild. That would have been terrible, I reckon.
Would rather not imagine.
Yeah, yeah. Speaking of nostalgia of 2000s, there's a... I'm going to go through a room. I'll bring it up on my screen. Just switch the overlay. Okay. Let me just get rid of that one. Alright. So there's this nostalgia page in the Discord server, which has been mostly me talking about old games and stuff that I miss, which I'm going to go over now real quick, because there are some absolute slappers in here that was so good. For example, like Age of Empires 1, the first one. The conversation in here actually started from, we're talking about Winamp and Windows Media Player skins from way back. And I learned that Winamp is actually still a thing, which is cool, because I love Winamp so much. And yeah, it sort of went on to just random old softwares like Nero, Burning ROM, yeah, the Age of Empires cheats. I think this is AoE 2. Yeah, that'd be AoE 2. Oh man, so much goodness in here. It's so nostalgic, but yeah. Anyway, the chat has pretty much died. The voice chat is, yeah, it's mostly just me talking as per usual. So on that note, I'm going to end the stream. Thanks everyone for coming around. Thanks fellas for joining the voice chat. It's always good to talk to you guys. I'm going to jump out of there. For anyone who's interested, I'll be doing another live stream on Wednesday night, my time. For everyone else, if you want to join into a live stream in the future, just jump in my Discord server. I always tell people in there before I'm about to go live, and yeah, just jump on in, have a chat to the other guys in there. We're all pretty friendly, and yeah, it's good to see you all again. I'm gonna go do the CTF now, and yeah, I'll see you around. Catch you later, guys. Have a fantastic day. I'll see you around. I'll see you next time.